Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. As summer season is going on and watermelons are there with their juice and sweetness. So today I am going to draw a watermelon for all of you. So let's start. Eating watermelons during summer season reduces heat inside the body and gives cooling to the body. So we should have watermelon daily in the summer season. Which is your favorite fruit in the summer season? Please tell me in comments. So this is a watermelon. Now I am drawing a slice of watermelon to show it that how it looks like from inside. So this is the slice of our watermelon. Now we'll draw some seeds because watermelon has a lot of seeds inside. Okay. Okay. So here is our watermelon. Now start coloring it. To color it I am using crayons. Here I am using dark green color crayon and make this lines like this. And the whole watermelon will do like this. Okay. Now we'll color up these linings with dark green color. So I have made these green stripes. Now to make it more cuter, we'll draw eyes, cute eyes of watermelon. And just color them up. And it's done. Okay. Now we'll make a smile with red color crayon. Now we'll color it up with light green color to complete the coloring. Okay, so I have colored it. Now color it here with dark green color crayon. Make some lining with green color. As all of us know that watermelon is red from inside. So we'll color it with red color crayon. So friends, our cute kawaii watermelon drawing is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.